Welcome to our ultimate guide for building a gaming PC under $500. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade your setup, we've got you covered. Let's take a look at the key components we'll need for this budget build. Each element plays a crucial role in creating a balanced gaming experience. First up, the CPU. Choosing the right processor can make a huge difference. Here are some of the best options within our budget. Now onto the motherboard. We need to ensure it supports our CPU and has the features we want. Let's cover the essentials. The graphics card is a critical component for gaming. Here's how to choose one that fits our budget while still delivering good graphics performance. Next, let's talk about RAM. Finding the right memory is key to playing your favorite games smoothly. Here's what you need to know. When it comes to storage, SSDs are faster but can be pricier. We'll weigh the benefits of SSDs versus HDDs for our budget build. Choosing the right power supply is essential for system stability. Let's explore how to pick one that matches our system's requirements. Lastly, let's talk about the case. It needs to be functional but also reflect your style. Here's how to choose wisely. Now that we have all our components, it's time for the fun part. Let's walk through the assembly process to get our gaming rig up and running.